Okay, ICP. So far, you've looked at different states of matter. You've looked at how to classify matter. And now we're going to look at the building blocks of matter, the building blocks of elements in particular, and called atoms, and how they are arranged. So this is all about atomic structure, the basic building blocks of this matter that we've been classifying, and then how we arrange the different elements of matter in a periodic table. So we have two sections for this unit. In section 1, you will have readings and videos to do. Here you will learn about sort of the overview of how the idea of the structure of the atom came about and how it's changed over time. So there is an ed puzzle as well as a reading to do. The reading can go in your note sheet. Okay, the ed puzzle you will complete, and you can also add notes on your note sheet too. Then you'll actually look at the current structure of the atom, what we call looking at what's known as the Bohr model, and you're going to practice interacting with this structure of the atom by using the Atom Builder PhET simulation. There is a Google Doc, when you click on the assignment, that will open up that you can fill out as you're watching it. Now, there are just 2 other videos in this one that I just thought were interesting and kind of fun and dorky, but that help you kind of remember a little bit about atoms. So if you would like to go ahead and watch those just for the fun of it, I would highly suggest it. In the second section here, then, we're going to take these different atoms of elements that we're learning about, and we're going to kind of look at how we organize them, and we're going to look at how they're organized on the periodic table. And so we're going to have a reading on the modern periodic table and an activity, a virtual lab to go with it, where we're just looking at the different trends. And then we're going to look at how the periodic table, some of these trends, can help us predict the characteristics of different types of elements that are found there. So like the difference between metallic and non-metallic elements. They have different properties, and we are going to look at some of the different properties. So there is a reading with videos embedded, the CK12, and there's a virtual lab to go with that. Once you're done there, hopefully you saw on the week of December 1st webcast on the home screen that there is a recap that you can feel free to use. There's not a certain section on your module sheet to fill out, but it's just sort of an overview. It's more of a table style of what you should have learned about through the readings and through the activities. So you'll see a lot of tables like this just to kind of help organize our thoughts. Once you're done, you will go on to the assessment. The assessment at this point will just be a Google form. So the units 4 and 5 assessments will probably just be Google form quiz style assessments. Okay, hope this helps give you an overview. Let me know if you have questions. I will be there Monday, Tuesday, and Friday from 11 until 12.